Hi, this is Harshita Aman from ISC. Today we are going to discuss about Indian Constitution. Introduction to Indian Constitution, which is the biggest written constitution in the world. Indian Constitution, American US Constitution, Russian Constitution, Pakistan Constitution. Option A, Indian Constitution. Which article deals with the amendment procedure of Indian Constitution? Article 352, Article 360, Article 356, Article 368. Option D, Article 368. When was the Constituent Assembly formed? 1946, 1947, 1999, 1987. Option A, 1946. Under which plan was the Constitution Assembly constituted? Mission Plan, Drafting Committee, Simon Commission, Cabinet Mission Plan. Option D, Cabinet Mission Plan. How many days took to prepare Indian Constitution? 3 years, 11 months, 18 days, 2 years, 3 years, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Option D, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Preamble of Indian Constitution and key concepts of the preamble. Preamble of Indian Constitution indicates the source of Indian Constitution, privileges given to the SC and ST, the government to make laws, the circumstance under which the Constitution can be commanded. Option A, the source of Indian Constitution. What is the first word of the preamble? We, I am, we the, us. Option A, we. In which amendment did the preamble amended? 43rd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 42nd Amendment, 45th Amendment. Option D, 45th Amendment. How many times preamble of Indian Constitution was amended so far? Only once, three times, two times, four times. Option A, only once. The preamble of the Constitution declared India as sovereign democratic republic, sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, sovereign secular. Option C, sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Fundamental duties and its scope and significance. How many fundamental duties are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? 6, 3, 7, 9. Option C, 7. Fundamental duties are mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4A. Option D, Part 4A. Fundamental duties are enforceable by court of law, legislative assemblies, executive authorities, none of the above. Court of law. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution to preamble social harmony, strengthen democracy, ensure the relation integrated and subordinate. D. All of the above. The all of the above option is correct for this question. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution: individual right, good governance, national security, international relative. Option B, good governance. Important parliamentary terminologies. The parliamentary system of government in India is categorized by dual execution, separation of source, fusion of source, power of government. Option C, fusion of source. In parliamentary, the execution is allotted to the judiciary, the legislative, the military, the bureaucracy. Option B, the legislative. The gap between two sessions of the parliament should not be more than 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, 5 months. Option C, 2 months. Who is the real executor of the parliament? Prime Minister, President, Chief Minister, Minister. Option A, Prime Minister. The President of India is selected by the Parliament and the Supreme Court judge. The Parliament, state legislative, the Parliament and Supreme Prime Minister, the Parliament and President of US. Option B, the Parliament State Legislative VS and VD Election Commission. Who is the President Chief Section Commission of India? Rajiv Kumar, Gopalaswamy, Sahim, Dr. Suresh. Option A, Rajiv Kumar. Which missionary conducts a section in India? Election Commission, Ministers, People of India, Military Power. Option A, Election Commission. Who will appoint the Chief Election Commissioner? Prime Minister, Supreme Court Judge, President, Railway Minister. Option D, President. How many days will be allowed to file nomination for election? 7 days, 12 days, 6 days, 8 days. Option D, 8 days. Election in India are conducted on the basis of adult franchise, national party, Supreme Court, Congress party. Option A, adult franchise. Thank you.